Alright, hello everybody. Not sure which episode this is, the number count. I'm lost, but either way, thank you for watching up until this one. Honestly, I haven't been doing anything for the past going on 4 weeks. I've been sick. I don't know what I got, but haven't been out in the garage, haven't been doing anything. Except past 2 days, I've been working on the chassis. I got the front end squared away. It's the rails are even now, and I welded the sides and the tops of the cuts that I made. What I need to do now is weld underneath. I still didn't weld them, and then I need to get the steering box situated. But what I'm going to do first is try to loosen up the 4 bolts on the front end, adjust it, and see if I can adjust it in a way where it's straight and this box can be bolted. If not, I'm gonna have to cut the ear off of this box and weld a new one. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna jack this up and then get ready to weld it. That'd be cool. It's recording right now.
Yeah, dog.
Just getting the welder going. Basically, I just gotta weld up the bottom. There's cracks on the bottom.
This looks like my eye doctor thing. Where'd you go?
I gotta weld the bottom. Gotta do more stuff to it. I wonder if that body's light enough to where we could just and put it on there. Just the both of us. I mean, you get a good shirt and we could probably do it.
Fucked up, man.
We will try. That's broke.
Hey.
Who the fuck are you? What's gonna have to happen is I'm gonna have to put the body on there, measure, and then eventually take the body off again. My camera tripod's broke.
Wow, this thing got crooked as shit.
Yeah, that's the front end. I need to adjust it.